How to lighten dark inner thighs, butt and bikini area. In order to get rid of this displeasure, in this article I will present you some natural remedies to get rid of the dark inner thighs, butt and bikini area. The skin from this area becomes dark for several reasons, but the main cause is that most of the time because of the underwear or pants. Another cause could be the waxing products we use or the material of clothes we wear. Whatever is the cause, for women is a big inconvenience because the skin looks so ugly when you are at the beach, wearing a swimsuit, and in moments of intimacy with their partners. If you notice that your skin is darker on the knee, neck, armpit or shoulder area, you may be suffering from a condition and it is recommended to ask for an advice of a dermatologist. However, if you have a darker skin color only in the lower thighs, it is enough to follow the natural treatments presented in this video. 1. Lemon and yogurt mask. You will notice that lemon appears in many masks presented in this video, because lemon is the best natural ingredient when we talk about whitening. However, be very careful and don't use any recipe that contain lemon tea during the day because of sun exposure. You will get precisely the opposite result. Instead, to remove dark spots, skin will be darker. Ingredients: the juice from 1 lemon and ½ cup of Greek yogurt. Procedure: mix the ingredients. Apply the mask on the affected area, leave it to act 30 minutes and then wash the area with warm water. Repeat this procedure every night, during a week. 2. Lemon, honey and oil paste. Honey is a great exfoliant and oil make your skin very soft. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of oil, olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, half juice from 1 lemon. Procedure: squeeze the lemon and mix well all the ingredients. Apply the paste in the affected area and leave it to act for 20 minutes. Repeat this procedure for 1 week, every night. 3. Lemon and cottage cheese. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese and 5 drops of lemon juice. Procedure: mix all the ingredients, apply the obtained mixture and leave it to act 20 minutes. Repeat this procedure daily, for 1 week.